this video, we will discuss December 2009 political science question paper. Question number 1. Gandhi wrote Hind Swaraj in the year. Option B is correct, 1902. Actually in 1909, but according to option it is 1908. Question number 2. They moderates lick the dust of the feet of that cake. Who said this? Option B is correct, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 3. The core idea of ancient Greek political philosophy is, option C is correct, good life. Now question number 4. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Option B is correct, New Humanism by Aurobindo Ghosh. It is actually written by M.N. Roy, not Aurobindo Ghosh. Question number 5. Who among the following philosophers is famous for adopting the golden mean? Option B is correct, Aristotle. Now question number 6. The study of the political system of a country at one time in all its context is known as, option A is correct, configurative approach. Question number 7. Limited government has a close affinity to, option A is correct, separation of power. Question number 8. The residuary power rests with the state units in the political system of, option B is correct, USS Switzerland. Question number 9. Who among the following is not a dependency theorist? Option B is correct, Samuel Feiner. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a feature of parliamentary system? Option D is correct, fixed tenure. Question number 11. Who of the following was not an extremist? Option C is correct, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a part of a fundamental duties under Indian Constitution? Option D is correct, to help in organizing village panchayat as it is written in DPSP. Question number 13. Which of the following writ is issued by court for the release of a person unlawfully detained? Option C is correct, habeas corpus. Question number 14. Which of the following was not associated with electoral reforms in India? Option C is correct, G.V.K. Rao Committee, as it is related to Panchayati Raj. Question number 15. Who described India a soft state? Option A is correct, Gunnar Myrdal. Question number 16. Who among the following scrutinized the report of CAG in India? Option B is correct, Public Account Committee. Question number 17. To Ronald Reagan, the evil empire was, option B is correct, Soviet Union. Question number 18. The fundamental principle of the League of Nations was, option C is correct, collective security. Question number 19. A state which dominates and subordinates neighboring states without taking them over is, option D is correct, suzerain state. Question number 20. Prisoner's dilemma is a phenomena that fuels, option A is correct, armed race. Question number 21. The tragedy of common, explained by Garrett Hardison, is related to, option D is correct, environment. Question number 22. When did Minwobrook Conference first take place? Option C, 1968. Now move on to next question. Question number 23. Who among the following has been considered as the Saint Paul of the concept of bureaucracy and capitalist nationality? Option C is correct, Max Weber. Question number 24. Who among the following is considered as the high priest of development administration? Option D is correct, Fredericks. Question number 25. Right to Information Act primary help the cause of, option D is correct, transparent administration. Now question number 26. Which one of the following recommended the establishment of ombudsman for local government in India? Option B is correct, Administrative Reform Commission 1. Now question number 27. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct, Plato's Philosopher King, John Rawls, Justice as Fairness, Bentham, Utilitarianism, and Karl Marx, Surplus Value. Now question number 28. Match list 1 with list 2. Option C is correct, Critical Community Study by Kenneth Booth, Security Community by Carl Deutsch, Security Regime by Robert Jervis, and Security Complex by Barry Buzan. Now move on to next question. Question number 29. Match list 1 with list 2. Option A is correct, Classical Realism by Morgenthau, Structural Realism by Kenneth Waltz, Neoclassical Realism by Schaevoler, Rational Choice by Krenzer. Now move on to question number 30. Question number 30 is actually match the following. The question written is wrong, so it is match the following. Option B is correct, Davidistan political system, C. Wright Mills power elite, GDH Cole Guild Socialism, and Jacques Derrida is postmodernism. Now, question number 31. Identify the correct chronological order of Prime Ministers of India. Option A is correct. First is Morarji Desai in 1977, then Rajiv Gandhi in 1984, then VP Singh in 1989, and then Chandrasekhar in 1990. Now, question number 32. Identify the correct chronological order in which the following events occur. Option B is correct. First is arrest of Sheikh Mohammad Abdullah as the Prime Minister of Jammu Kashmir in 1953. Then first split in Congress after independence in 1969. Then signing of Indo-Soviet Treaty in 1971, and then last is the death of Fakiruddin Ali Ahmad in 1977. Question number 33. According to Organsky, the stages of political development are. Option B is correct. Unification, industrialization, national welfare, and abundance. Now move on to next question. Question number 34. Arrange the chronological order of the following treaties in the evolution of European Union. Option C is correct. First is the Maastricht Treaty in 7 Feb 1992. Then is the Amsterdam Treaty on 2 October 1997. Then is the Nice Treaty on 26 Feb 2001, and the last is Constitutional Treaty on 29 October 2004. Now question number 35. Given the chronological order of the following events in the evolution of the modern state system. Option A is correct. First is the Treaty of Westphalia on 24 October 1648. Then the Treaty of Utrecht in 1713. Then is the Vienna Congress in 1814. And the last is the Paris Peace Treaty in 1947 on 10 February. Now question number 36 to 45 are assertion reason. 36 assertion. To J. Mill, the scope of liberty include that of conscience, thought and feeling so long as it is voluntarily, informal and without harmful intent. Reason. A liberal social order can be justified on utilitarian ground without appeal to the doctrines of natural rights. Option A is correct, as both the statements are true and correct explaining each other. Question number 37. Assertion. Gandhi's Satyagraha is the vindication of truth through self-inflicted suffering. Reason. The purpose of Satyagraha is to show moral superiority of the Satyagrahi. Option A is correct. Both the statements are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 38. Assertion. The President of India can return back a recommendation of the cabinet for reconsideration. Reason. He has been given the power because he is not accepted to be a mere figurehead. Option B is correct. Both the statements are true but not interrelated. Question number 39. Assertion. Fundamental rights are considered fundamental in the governance of the polity and hence they have been made justifiable under Article 32. Reason. Civil rights, even when important, cannot be considered as fundamental rights because they are not justiciable under Article 32. Option B is correct. Both the statements are true but not the correct explanation. Question number 40. Assertion. The method of system analysis adopted by Armand is more representative than of David Easton. Reason. Armand is the first major thinker or scientist who has developed the system analysis approach for the study of politics. Option C is correct, as assertion is true but the reason is false. Now question number 41. Assertion. Bureaucracy has contributed to the growth of democracy but it has also stood in the way of democratization. Reason. Democracy does not need bureaucracy. Option C is correct. Assertion is true and reason is false. Question number 42. Assertion. Whitley type councils have been set up in India. Reason. The council have the power to take up the grievance of individual employees on priority basis. Option C is correct. Assertion is true and reason is false. Now question number 43. Assertion. Lokayukt have been appointed in all the states. Reason. The National Commission to review the working of the Constitution has recommended the establishment of Lokayukt. Option D is correct, as assertion is false and reason is true. Question number 44. Assertion. Balance of power result in status quo in world politics. Reason. State are primary actors in international relation. Option B is true, as both the statements are true but not the correct explanation. Question number 45. Assertion. India seeks permanent membership of Security Council. Reason. India wants to legitimize its nuclear power weapon status through India-US civilian nuclear agreement. Option B is correct. Both the statement are true but not the correct explanation. Now question number 46 to 50 as passage. Question number 46. The author is primarily concerned with, option A is correct, differing potentials of the state. Question 47. According to the author, some states develop faster than other as they, option A is correct, rich in natural resources and due to quality of economy policy. Question number 48. Development funds should be allocated. Option C is correct, unevenly based on the potentiality of the state. Question number 49. According to the author, the country is fully integrated when, option A is correct, resources are invested in the states where productivity is more. Last question, question number 50. The material in the passage can be used in the argument for, option C is correct, investigating in uneven development fund and to understand the uneven development of states.